it's incredibly satisfying to grow your own food, not just because you're harvesting the fruits of your labour, but because you know how it's been grown. So here are my top tips for veggie growing the organic way.
Location, location, location. Veggies enjoy 6 hours of sun a day, so let them soak up the rays and you'll reap the rewards.
Organic gardening starts from the ground up with an organically rich soil that is teeming with life. So make sure you dig plenty of compost and organic matter through your soil before planting. And my secret, dig some of this stuff. Snail's 5-in-1 organic fertiliser, the one in the big bag, through the top 20 to 30 centimetres of soil. It's jam-packed with oodles of organic goodies like these to help boost the health and vitality of your soils and make your garden flourish.
With every dose, it enriches the soil and provides long-term organic nutrients to plants. As a bonus, it also helps to retain soil moisture and keep the root system cool, so you don't have to water as frequently, which at this time of year can be a real blessing.
I want to cram as much as I can into this garden bed, so I've got some climbing peas for the back, and then in rows at the front, I'm going to plant lots of leafy greens like lettuces and spinach, which are quick to harvest.
Veggies are hungry little critters that like to be fed regularly when they're growing, flowering and fruiting.
So use 5-in-1 throughout the growing season too to keep up with the demands of your plants. Now if you're a liquid feeder, you can water it in, or you can simply scatter it onto the garden. And make sure your soil is well mulched to conserve moisture and help to keep the weeds at bay. I like to use a good organic mulch like pea straw or lucerne that breaks down over time, and in doing so nourishes and improves the soil.